Hello student, welcome in today's video. Today's video, it is about the human heart. The brief introduction of human circulatory system or a transport system, that is the main organ of transport system, human heart. And today we will going to see the position, color, dimension and the brief introduction about the heart. That human heart, it is an mesodermal in origin. That means when the germinal layer is formed, human heart, it is made up of mesoderm, the middle layer of a three germinal layer of a embryo. Then that you are knowing that heart, it is an main pumping and storage organ. As we know, the lungs, they are main oxygenating organ. Lungs हे ब्लडच्या प्युरिफिकेशनसाठी असतात, तर हार्ट हे शरीरातून सगळीकडचं डिऑक्सिजनेटेड ब्लड जमा करण्यासाठी आणि लंग्समध्ये पाठवण्यासाठी, परत लंग्समधून ब्लड शुद्ध करून आल्यानंतर त्याला बॉडीमध्ये सर्क्युलेट करण्यासाठी, प्रोव्हाइड करण्यासाठी हार्टची संरचना असते. That heart, it is a main pumping and storage organ. It pumps the blood. It stores the blood for a temporary time. Therefore, it is called as a pumping and storage organ. Then, it is a totally muscular in nature. It is mainly made up of a cardiac muscle, which is a type of involuntary muscles. Therefore, human heart or the higher animal heart, that is called as a myogenic in nature. There are two types of heart. Depending upon the chambers, there are various types, but depending upon the nature of working, there are two types of heart, that is the myogenic heart and neurogenic heart. The heart which is works on the muscles, which is works on the control of muscles, that is called as a myogenic heart, and the heart which is works on the nervous coordination, which is works on the control of nerves, that is called as a neurogenic heart. Then our heart it is totally myogenic in nature. It is controlled by the working of cardiac muscles specially, which is involuntary muscles, and that muscles do not work upon our will. अनैच्छिक मसल्स आहेत, अनैच्छिक स्नायू आहेत त्या. आपल्याला वाटलं नाही जगावंसं तरी ते चालणार आहेत शेवटपर्यंत, जोपर्यंत त्यांची कॅपॅसिटी संपत नाही किंवा काही ऑब्स्टॅकल्स इंटरप्शन निर्माण होत नाहीत. देन दॅट ह्युमन हार्ट, इट इज अन रेडिश ब्राउन मस्क्युलर ऑर्गन. इट इज टोटली मस्क्युलर ऑर्गन. Its color is reddish brown in nature and its size is equal to one's fist. प्रत्येक पर्सनच्या स्वतःच्या मुठी इतकं हार्टची काय असते, साईज असते. देन द वेट ऑफ अ हार्ट, ह्युमन हार्ट वे अबाउट द 250 grams in females and 300 grams in males. On an average, it weighs about the 300 gram in males, but from the 280 to 340, it ranges between 280 to 340 grams. And in female, it ranges about 250 to 280 gram. एक 250 ते 280 ग्राम वजन असतं स्त्रियांमध्ये आणि पुरुषांमध्ये हेच वजन 300 ते 340 ग्राम असतं. बट ऑन ॲन ॲव्हरेज इट टेक्स ॲज अ 300 ग्राम. इट्स शेप, इट इज पर्टिक्युलरली कोनिकल इन शेप and it is situated in thoracic region, which is called as mediastinum. You see that diagram? Refer that diagram. It will shows the position of heart. These are two lungs and the space between two lungs, the space behind the sternum bone and the middle of the sternum bone and the breast line, that is the मिडियास्टिनम. या रिजनला आपण मिडियास्टिनम म्हणू. द टोटल रिजन इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज थोरॅसिक रिजन. छातीचा रिजन आहे हा, आणि छातीच्या रिजनमध्ये दोन्ही लंग्सच्या मध्ये हार्टची पोझिशन आहे. दॅट हार्ट इज पोझिशनड ॲट mediastinum cavity, the cavity in between two lungs, and the region it is called as a thoracic region. See that heart is, it is an apex. A it is apex, B it is base. Heart it is broader at base and narrower at apex. बघा, हार्ट बेसला ब्रॉडर आहे आणि ॲपेक्सला कसं आहे, नॅरोवर आहे. इट शोज द ब्रॉडर बेस अँड नॅरोवर ॲट ॲपेक्स. इट इज प्रेझेंट सेंट्रली. हार्ट कुठं असतं, तर सेंटरला असतं. आपल्याला या साईडला दुखल्यासारखं वाटल्यानंतर हार्टचा प्रॉब्लेम नसतो. इट इज अन टोटली मस्क्युलर ऑर नर्वस प्रॉब्लेम, बट सेंट्रली हार्ट इज सिच्युएटेड सेंट्रली बट जस्ट टिल्टेड टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट. हार्ट हे पूर्णपणे सेंटरला प्रेझेंट असतं, पण थोडंसं डाव्या बाजूला काय असतं, झुकलेलं असतं. अँड इट इज रेस्टेड ऑन डायफ्रॅगम. बघा, डायफ्रॅगम आहे टोटली, देअरफॉर इट इज रेस्टेड ऑन डायफ्रॅगम. डायफ्रॅगम नावाचा एक मस्कुलार कर्टन लाईक पातळ पडद्यासारखा स्ट्रक्चर आहे विच सेपरेटेड thoracic region and abdominal region. Therefore, heart it is situated centrally in between two lungs, just tilted towards the left, present in mediastinum cavity and resting on the diaphragm. Diaphragm वर रेस्ट करताय. Then today we are going to see the two main points about the heart, that coverings or membranes of a heart and walls of a heart. These are two different things. Short notes विचारल्या जातात की give the short note on the coverings of heart or membranes of a heart and describe the walls of a heart. These are two different points. That first we have seen that heart it is covered with the coverings or membranes, and there are two coverings. That coverings are called as pericardium. Coverings or membranes of heart that is heart is covered with the peritoneal layer. Peritoneum layer आहे जी बोन्सला जोडते बाजूला रिब्सला. But heart it is covered with the membrane or coverings. That coverings are called as pericardium. इथे थोडासा LS दाखवलेला आहे आपण कशाचा, लेयर्सचा, हार्टच्या कवरिंगचा. देर आर two layers, that is the outer fibrous pericardium and inner serous pericardium. There are two pericardial layers of the heart, coverings of the heart, and coverings of the heart they are called as pericardium. The cardiac, it is the word related with the heart. That outer fibrous pericardium is there, which is elastic in nature, tough in nature, rough in nature, and second one, that is the smooth one, inner serous pericardium is there. See that black color represented the fibrous pericardium. Then blue color and red color combinedly represent the serous pericardium. And the serous pericardium, again it is divided into two layers. The blue color, the first layer of serous pericardium, it is called as outer parietal layer of serous pericardium. And the red color represent the inner visceral layer of serous pericardium. See that heart it is covered with the coverings which is called as pericardium. And these pericardial layers divided into two, that is outer fibrous pericardium and inner serous pericardium. That inner serous pericardium again divided into two layers, that is the outer parietal pericardium of serous and inner visceral layer of the serous pericardium. That means parietal and visceral layer makes the serous pericardium and outer fibrous pericardium is there. See that in the serous pericardium, that blue and red layer separated by the black linings that represent outer parietal layer of serous pericardium and inner visceral layer of serous pericardium, it is separated by the space. That space is called as pericardial space, and that filled with a fluid which measures about the 50 ml. Its measurement is 50 ml. That fluid it is called as pericardial fluid. And that pericardial fluid, it is shock absorbing in nature. It keeps the heart moist in nature. When there is any physical or mechanical shock to the heart, to the body in any accidental condition, that it will absorb the shock which is pressurized on the heart. हार्टवर येणारे सगळे भार हा पेरिकार्डियल फ्लुइड फॉलोअप घेत असतो. दॅट इट absorbs the shock which is on the heart. That heart it is covered with the coverings called pericardium. There are two pericardium, outer fibrous pericardium, inner serous pericardium. Inner serous pericardium divided into again two layer, that outer parietal layer and inner visceral layer. These two layers म्हणजे बाहेरची एक लेयर आणि मधल्या दोन आहेत. त्या मधल्या दोन मध्ये आपण म्हणू दॅट आउटर परायटल अँड इनर विसरल लेअर ऑफ सिरस पेरिकार्डियम सेपरेटेड बाय पेरिकार्डियल स्पेस फिल्ड विथ अ पेरिकार्डियल फ्लुइड. आणि ह्या पेरिकार्डियल फ्लुइडचं काम असतं की शॉक ॲब्झॉर्ब करणं. हार्टचे हार्टबीट टिल दॅट पेरिकार्डियल फ्लुइडपर्यंत काय करतात, लेंथन होतात, इथपर्यंत येतात. ते कुठलंही इन्फेक्शन हार्टचं चेक करायचं असेल तर पेरिकार्डियल फ्लुइडमध्ये चेक करता येतं. अँड इट मेजर्स अबाउट द 50 ml. 50 ml त्याचं मेजरमेंट आहे अँड ॲक्ट ॲज अ शॉक ॲब्झॉर्बर. इट कीप्स द हार्ट मॉइस्ट इन नेचर. नेक्स्ट आपण बघू व्हॉट इज द वॉल्स ऑफ हार्ट. हार्ट इज कवर्ड विथ अगेन वॉल्स. आपण बघू की दॅट पेरिकार्डियमच्याही पुढे अजून काय वॉल्स आहे, द आउटर पेरिटोनियल लेअर. आपण बघतो की जी लेअर मसल्सला बोनशी जोडते, आउटर बॉडी वॉलशी जोडते, त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, पेरिटोनियल म्हणतो, पेरिटोनियम लेअर म्हणतो. आणि पेरिटोनियम लेअरचेच इथं 2 भाग पडलेले दिसतात, कव्हरिंग्स, पेरिकार्डियम ज्याला आपण म्हणतो. देन दॅट इनर टू पेरिकार्डियम. आता याही नंतर हार्टच्या फायब्रस पेरिकार्डियम आहे, परायटल लेअर आहे, विसरल लेअर आहे. या तिन्हीच्या आत मग हार्ट काय आहे, देर आर 3 walls of heart, and these 3 walls, they are nothing but outer epicardium, middle myocardium, and inner endocardium. There are 2 different things that coverings or membranes are called as pericardium, and the walls, they are called as, there are 3 walls of a heart, epicardium, myocardium, and endocardium. That epicardium, it is thin, flat, and made up of squamous epithelial cells. It is protective in nature, rough in nature. That epicardium means the upper layer of the heart, upper wall of the heart, which is made up of thin, flat, squamous type of cells. And the second layer one, that is the myocardium, which is one of the main important layer, main important wall of the heart. It is completely made up of a cardiac muscles, which is the main muscles of the transport system, main muscles of the or main tissue of the heart. That cardiac muscles are responsible for the contraction and relaxation of heart, due to which heart act as a totally pumping and storage organ. Contraction, it pressurizes the blood to the organ. Relaxation, it takes the blood from the organ. तर कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन आणि रिलॅक्झेशन घडवून आणण्यात कार्डियक मसल्सचा मोठा वाटा असतो. दॅट मायोकार्डियम, इट इज द मिडल थिक लेअर अँड इट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन अँड रिलॅक्झेशन बिकॉज इट इज मेड अप ऑफ कार्डियक मसल्स. देर आर 3 types of muscles, that involuntary muscles, voluntary muscles, 2 main types of muscle. त्याच्यामध्ये पुन्हा स्केलेटल मसल्स येतात, कार्डियक मसल्स येतात. तर हार्ट कुठल्या मसल्सनी बनतं, कार्डियक मसल्सनी बनतं. अँड द मायोकार्डियम, इट इज मेड अप ऑफ मिडल थिक लेअर, मेड अप ऑफ कार्डियक मसल्स अँड स्पेशली डिझाईन्ड फॉर द कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन अँड रिलॅक्झेशन ऑफ हार्ट चेंबर्स. अँड द थर्ड लेअर, इट इज अन एंडोकार्डियम, innermost layer of the heart, endocardium. It is again made up of a single thin squamous cells. It is made up of single thin layered squamous type of cells, and it is called as endocardium. That again the pericardium is cardial wall च्या वरच्या कव्हरिंग आणि हार्टच्या वॉलवरच्या नंतरच्या कव्हरिंग आहेत एपिकार्डियम, मायोकार्डियम अँड एंडोकार्डियम. दॅट ह्या मायोकार्डियमपर्यंत हार्टचं कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन अँड रिलॅक्झेशन, बंडल ऑफ हीस पुरकुंजे फायबर्सचं कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन आणि रिलॅक्झेशन मायोकार्डियमच्या लेअरपर्यंत येतं. बिकॉज इट इज व्हेरी थिक इन नेचर अँड इट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन अँड रिलॅक्झेशन ऑफ मसल्स. दॅट ह्या 3 लेअरच्या मध्ये आपण बघतोय. नंतर असतील दॅट एपिकार्डियम, देन मायोकार्डियम अँड देन द एंडोकार्डियम. दॅट मीन्स एपिकार्डियम, मायोकार्डियम, एंडोकार्डियम. That means you have seen that there are totally 6 layers of the heart. From inner to outer, बघा काय येतील आतल्यापासून बाहेरकडे, एंडोकार्डियम, मायोकार्डियम, एपिकार्डियम, then the visceral layer of serous pericardium, outer parietal layer of serous pericardium, in between that pericardial space filled with pericardial fluid and fibrous pericardium. आता बाहेरून आतकडे आपण बघू that fibrous pericardium, serous pericardiumचे 2 लेअर, parietal layer of serous pericardium, then visceral layer of serous pericardium, epicardium, myocardium, endocardium. There are totally 6 layered of heart. There are 6 layers of a heart totally, but 3 are called coverings or membranes of heart and 3 are called as the walls of heart. Again we will revise this today's session. That human heart, it is a mesodermal in origin, which is made up of the middle layer of germinal, that cellular kidney. Then human heart, it is originated from the middle layer of a germinal layer, 3 germinal layer of an embryo. Then it is a pumping and storage organ. It stores the blood for the temporary time. Then it is reddish brown muscular organ made up of cardiac muscles, which is type of involuntary muscles, and its size is equal to the one's fist. Then its weight in males, it is about 300 gram average, and in females it is measures about the 250 gram in females, 250 to 280 gram. Then it is completely conical in shape, it is broader at base and the narrower at apex. Then it is situated in the mediastinum, which is the cavity of the lungs. The region it is called as thoracic region, and it is situated just centrally in between two lungs, just tilted towards the left and rested on diaphragm. Then that heart, it is covered with the two coverings, membranes. That coverings or membranes are called as pericardium, outer fibrous pericardium and inner serous pericardium. They are responsible for the protection of heart, shock absorption of the heart. Then inner serous pericardium, again divided into two layers, outer parietal serous pericardium and inner visceral serous pericardium. These are two separated by pericardial space filled with the pericardial fluid, which is 50 ml, measures about 50 ml, and it keeps the heart moist in nature. It is responsible for absorption of shocks to the heart. Then there are three walls of a heart, that is outer epicardium made up of thin flat squamous type of cells, middle myocardium which is made up of middle thick layer of a cardiac muscles and which is responsible for contraction and relaxation of particularly heart chambers. Then endocardium, it is the innermost wall of the heart which is made up of single thin layer of a squamous type of cells. This is a brief introduction about the main organ of the circulatory or transport system, that is the human heart. Thank you student. Thanks for today's video.